Sometimes the biggest changes in your life happens quietly. No announcement, no Instagram story, no update to anyone. Just you deciding that you're done living the same life over and over again. This is the era where you disappear and come back unrecognizable. Welcome to your silent glow up. You don't glow up by adding more. You glow up by removing what's draining you. Removing the urge to explain yourself, removing friends who don't clap for you, removing habits that delay your progress, removing the fear of being misunderstood. Your silent glow up starts the day when you stop chasing validation. The loudest part of a glow up is mental, not physical. It's the moment you realize that you don't need anyone to see you improving. I just need me to keep going. You start choosing discipline over mood. You start choosing early mornings over late night scrolling. You start choosing books, journaling, long term goals instead of the small, cheap dopamine. Your mindset becomes sharper, your goals become clearer, your self respect becomes non negotiable. In your silent era, your energy becomes sacred. You don't tell everyone your plans. You don't argue with negativity. You don't prove anything to anyone. You simply show up quietly every day. A little workout, a little reading, a little self care, a little skill building, a little bit of staying true to your vision. It's the small, boring things consistently done that create a glow up people think is overnight. Your old version of yourself will try to pull you back. The laziness, the excuses, the overthinking, the obsession with what people might think, the I'll start tomorrow version of you. But your silent glow up starts when you finally say, I'm not going back. You become unreachable to who you used to be. And that's where your real transformation begins. Your body reflects your habits. Your skin gets clearer when your mind is less stressed. Your face becomes brighter when you sleep properly. Your posture becomes better when your confidence grows. Your style upgrades naturally when you respect yourself more. That's why silent glow ups look magical. People only see the results. They never see the private battles. One day you'll show up, all different, and they'll notice your glow, your calm, your confidence, your discipline, your silence. They'll ask, what changed? And the answer will be simple, everything, because you finally chose yourself. If you're entering your silent glow up era, I'm proud of you. You don't owe anyone an explanation. You don't need any permission. All you need is patience. This season is for you. And when you return, you'll shine in a way they never expected. Welcome to your silent glow up.